Operatives of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency have recovered drug consignment worth 74.4 billion naira hidden in the lavatories of an Ethiopian airline aircraft. The drugs, according to a statement on Sunday by the Ndlea spokesperson Femi Babafemi, were discovered during the post-landing cleaning of flight ET-900 from Addis Ababa to Lagos on October 29, 2024. Babafemi stated that the drugs were wrapped in 9 polythene bags and concealed in the waste collectors and the 2 rear lavatories of the aircraft. He added that at least 30 suspects were being questioned in connection with the drug uncovered. Babafemi said the attempt by members of an international drug syndicate operating between Brazil, Ethiopia, and Nigeria to smuggle into Lagos a total of 854 wraps of cocaine weighing 18.72 kilograms has been thwarted, with the consignment recovered by Ndlea operatives at Murtala Mohammed International Airport, MMIA, Ikeja. Meanwhile, Babafemi said drugs concealed in body cream containers and artworks were also recovered by agency's operatives. At the Apapa Seaport in Lagos, Babafemi said Ndlea operatives intercepted 754,000 pills of tapentadol and acetaminophen, 225 mg worth of 525 million naira in a targeted and watch-listed container from India during a joint examination with customs service officers and other security agencies, among others, on October 29, 2024.